Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Geminis. Okay, so we have the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, the Knight of Cups, the Tower. I saw this first, so I would like to put it first. And then we have the Magician, the Page of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Okay, so Geminis, see, there is a situation in which you are collaborating with someone, maybe friend of friends, maybe it's a love triangle or whatever it is. It's in collaboration. It's more than two people, so it can be some sort of a teamwork, it can be a workplace, it can be anything of that sort. So whosoever you are dealing with, and it can be at your workplace, it can be in your friend circle, whosoever you are dealing with or you are looking up to makes you feel disappointed. Okay, so there is a collaboration or a teamwork in which there is something which is giving you a bad taste in the mouth. You're really not happy about it. So maybe it can be a business partnership, it can be a group activity, it can be some sort of a teamwork, but whatever it is, you feel upset over it. You're really upset over it. You really are really depressed. There is something which has happened over here in this collaboration which makes you feel really lost and upset. But what you need to realize is that there is a new beginning over here. There is still something positive. So whatever has happened, whatever you feel is lost, whatever this sense of loss is, stop grieving, because you really have something new which is coming up and you will feel really good about it. Okay, or maybe actually you have got the sight of that something new. Okay, and that is something which you are really emotional about. But somehow what I feel here is that the moment you start definitely there is a new beginning, but what I feel here is that there is something which really either needs to be sorted out, or there is some sort of a disruption which is causing some sort of heartbreak. There is still pain over there, there is still the pain over there, and maybe because of maybe it is the fear which is holding you back somehow, what I feel. Don't let the fear spoil this new beginning. I would like to say, don't let the fear of that breaking your heart once again, or spoiling the situation once again. Don't let it disrupt your new beginning, I would like to say. Because what I feel here is that if you let that fear or that gloominess or uh, that vibe or that energy, I should say, that energy, if it keeps on lingering, you may spoil this new beginning again. You may spoil this new beginning also. So, though there is a transient period in which there is a new beginning, you are moving very happily towards this new beginning, but there is definitely a fear of it falling apart because of the pain you already have in your heart. Okay, so there is some sort of a heartbreak, there is some sort of pain which is still lingering, which may spoil this new beginning. So if you do not take care of that, you will ruin it. You will ruin it, if or maybe you already have. Okay. It can be one more thing, that maybe you moved because you were already upset. There was a new beginning and took you didn't think logically, and maybe you were all out for this new beginning and you put all your heart and soul into it without even thinking logically. It can be that also, and because of that You may spoil it, or you have already spoiled it. Okay, there is a disruption energy over here. It can be because of excess of emotions in this direction. It's like putting 100% of it's acting on your emotions, basically acting emotionally. An emotional move, a totally emotional move, maybe you've ruined it, or you may ruin it if you let the experience of the past affect it. Then we have the Magician, the Page of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. So to me, what I feel is that you are now trying to think logically. Now you're trying to think logically. It is now you're trying to make a planned move. Okay, you have analyzed the things, you know the power, you are ready to move in a positive direction in an analytical way now. So maybe it was a totally emotional way, and now you are ready to move ahead after analyzing everything, and it is a planned move now. So once you are able to move in a planned way, you will be able to get back on track or regain whatever you want to. Okay, so don't act only on emotions. Try to analyze everything, try to weigh the pros and cons, and then act, I should say. Don't let the emotions from the past ruin this present. The King of Diamonds. This is all about spiritual healing, emotional healing. You need to heal yourself. You need to heal yourself. Nine of Abundance. Life is wonderful. Your hard work and dedication to your dreams will provide you with great peace and contentment. Take time to enjoy the quiet moments of reflection and leisure. Feel free to buy yourself small luxurious gifts. You've earned the financial security and independence you now enjoy. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.